Sunlight danced on the whispering waters, painting the mystical island of Zephyr in vibrant colors. Here lived Prospero the parrot, a wizard with feathers like a dazzling summer sunset and eyes that sparkled with ancient wisdom. Long ago, Prospero and his daughter, Marina, a dolphin known for her joyful leaps and playful squeaks, had called the human world home. But when Prospero's playful brother, the acorn-loving sneaky Sam the squirrel, cast a playful spell, their world transformed. On Zephyr, they found a new kind of freedom. Prospero's wisdom soared with his wings, and Marina's heart sang with the rhythm of the waves. One sunny afternoon, Prospero, with a playful gleam in his eye, decided to stir up some fun. He puffed out his rainbow feathers, grabbed a magical conch shell, and with a mighty squawk, summoned a swirling, whirling whirlpool. This whirlpool spun and sputtered, pulling a creaky ship carrying Sneaky Sam and his pal, Clumsy Carl the Crab, closer and closer to the island. Now, Prospero wasn't out for revenge. No way. He just wanted to teach a few wiggly lessons about the importance of being kind and true. Sam and Carl stumbled onto the beach, heads spinning like seashells in a storm. Sand stuck to their noses, seaweed tickled their toes, and their eyes blinked at the sparkling sunshine. Just when they thought this day couldn't get any wilder, a playful squeaking dolphin burst out of the waves. This was Marina, and with dazzling flips, a shower of salty spray, and a smile that stretched across the whole ocean, she welcomed them to her beautiful island home. Marina's joyful energy made them forget their dizziness and remember the wonder of seashells, sunshine, and the amazing adventures that might await. Prospero, with a twinkle in his eye brighter than a bucket of fireflies, decided it was time to shake things up. A little mischief, a lot of laughter, and a sprinkle of playful to kind lessons. That was the plan. He called for his best buddy, Wanda the Wind, a whirlwind of chuckles and whispers. Wanda loved playing tricks, especially ones that made your heart grow warmer. Together, this magical duo dreamt up a series of challenges so fun, so wacky, that Sam and Carl wouldn't even realize they were learning to be better friends. First up on Prospero and Wanda's super-duper fun challenge list was the Giggleberries quest. Imagine a whole bush covered in berries that giggled every time you got close. They wiggled and wobbled, whispering funny jokes that made your belly bubble with laughter. Sam and Carl had to find the plumpest, juiciest berries, but it wasn't easy. Every tickle made them jump and shout, and Carl sneezed so hard inside his shell, he bounced around like a beach ball. Next, they tiptoed towards the shimmering Mirror Lagoon, where the water whispered wonderful secrets. But instead of seeing their faces, they saw their heart's deepest dreams. Sneaky Sam spotted a mountain of marvelous munchies, more acorns than any squirrel could count. But soon, a funny feeling filled his tummy. All those acorns wouldn't be any fun if he gobbled them alone. Clumsy Carl saw himself with dazzling dancing feet, moving like a seashell swirling in the waves. It made him smile big, reminding him that even with his clumsy claws, he was loved just the way he was. For the grand finale, Prospero waved his feathered wing, and a shimmering, wobbly bridge of understanding stretched across a misty ravine. But here's the twist. Sam and Carl couldn't cross with just their feet. They had to share stories of kindness and honesty, tales of helping hands and truthful words. With each story, the bridge grew stronger, shimmering brighter, showing them that good deeds built a path brighter than any rainbow. Finally, Sneaky Sam and Clumsy Carl learned their lessons with hearts full of warmth. They joined Prospero, Marina, and the Whispering Wanda for a feast of friendship. Laughter bounced off the leaves, and the main dish was a big slice of humble pie, a sweet reminder of their journey. Filled with newfound understanding, they knew these magical lessons would guide them wherever they went. With full hearts, Sam and Carl thanked Prospero and Marina for their incredible adventure. They promised to share their new kindness wherever they went, like little ripples spreading in a pond. Prospero, with a wise twinkle in his eye, watched their ship sail away, its sails catching the light like butterflies' wings. He knew these lessons of friendship would travel far and wide. And so, the island of Zephyr remained a place of sunshine and smiles. The wind carried whispers of laughter, the waves still splashed with joy, and every creature, big and small, knew the importance of a kind heart. All thanks to Prospero the parrot, with his feathers bright and wisdom deep, and Marina the dolphin, whose leaps of love warmed the ocean blue.